Let's make this vanilla cake batter into 4 different cake flavors. So first, I'm just going to use the vanilla cake to make 12 cupcakes. 6 of them are going to be vanilla flavored, and the other 6 will be vanilla with strawberry filling. Now I'm going to set this aside and start on the next cake flavor. And I'm going to measure out 6 generous scoops to make the chocolate. For this flavor, I'm going to add cocoa powder and I'm going to add an additional amount of milk. I will link the recipe to my vanilla cake video down below, as well as the recipe to make these cupcakes. I'm going to mix this with the spatula first, and then I'm going to use a whisk to whisk it all together to make sure all of the cocoa powder is well incorporated. After everything is mixed well, then I'm going to scoop it into the cupcake liners. The secret to changing one base cake flavor into multiple flavors is to not overmix the batter in the beginning. And this is because you will be adding additional ingredients and mixing the batter even more after. Last flavor is Oreo cupcakes, and these are my favorite. So I'm just going to crush up some Oreos, and this is not finely crushed, this is just chopped up. And I'm just going to fold this into the remaining batter, making sure that I do not overmix. I just want to make sure that all the Oreos are generously covered with the batter and none are going to be poking out. Now I'm going to fill the remaining cupcake liners with these Oreo cupcakes, and then these 4 flavors are ready to go into the oven. Stay tuned for the next video where I share how I frost these delicious cupcakes. Thanks for watching.